Whoa!
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Answer: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as underfloor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Gallatin, Lebanon, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Lakewood, Old Hickory, Hermitage, Kansas City, Berry Hill, and Green Hill. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here is the forecast for Nashville, Greenwater, Greenville, Thompson Station.
What the heck?